Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I did this quick, easy, and cute half up, half down hairstyle from an old afro. I am going to begin by parting my hair, and then the section in the front I will just clip away until I'm ready to do my puff. I'm going to begin in the back with medium-sized sections, and I am going to squirt a small amount of water onto each section, and then I'm going to begin doing a 2-strand twist, and I am going to do this until all my hair in the back is complete, and then I will begin working on the front section. Right here I am going to use a small amount of edge gel and my brush to smooth my hair up into a small puff, and then I will tie my hair up and put a bonnet on until the next day. Okay, it is now the next day. I'm just going to add a small amount of oil to my fingers as I begin to take down these 2-strand twists. Once I'm finished taking down all of the twists, I'm going to go back in and separate them even more. Then I'm going to use my pick as well as my fingers to hide some of those parts and to continue fluffing and separating my curls. Once I am finished and have the desired look that I am going for, I am going to gel down my edges and add my pearl elastic to my puff, and the look will be complete. Please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you will be informed every time I post a new video. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.